Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click English Script Calligraphy pen set. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a Click brand and English Script Calligraphy pen set. And on the back of this box, you can find certain details that it is the content. It is one pen with calligraphy nibs, that 4 sections with calligraphy nibs, and here the width is mentioned here. Type nib left cut. It is a left cut one, and it has 1.5 mm and 1, 2, 3, 4 nib sizes and all, and the width strokes were given here, and it is a very good calligraphy set for the beginners. If they practiced with this, they will get a very good calligraphy writing, and at a very minimal price it is. And it has a tray in which you can maintain these 4 grip sections carefully, and it is a violet color body which has a silver clip, and in that clip the brand's name Click was mentioned, and the top portion it is in black color, and a black color grip portion. With this violet and black, it is looking so good. And in the nib also it is mentioned Click, and it is 0.5 dip. In this you can use to write also. And the ink filling system here is eyedropper one, so you can directly fill the ink in this barrel, and whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and it will spoil your hands. And also please apply silicone grease whenever you are opening and closing during the ink fill. It will increase the life of the thread. And also, on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice or thrice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so we'll get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirt and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately from this grip portion, and by holding this and twist and pull it out. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. This Brill bottle, here it is given, please clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And let me see about the 4 another tip portions. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 nib sets, and with this view we can find the tip sizes also, which means the width of this nib. If you give a stroke, the same tip size will come here, means in the written, and a very good looking one. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.